Hi! In front of me is VIVO IQOO U5X, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder. You need to begin by locating and opening Recorder app. Then, if you never used this app before, remember to choose Allow in the pop-up. Then Allow in the other one. To start your recording, click on this red button. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. If you want to add a bookmark, click on the left one. And in order to end it and save it, on the right one. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. If you wish to rename it, just click on this pen icon below it. Then type in wherever you wish to and save it by tapping on OK. In order to listen to it, just click on it. Then choose Allow. If you wish to delete it instead, hold it. Click on this bin icon at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!